Want to know how to earn high-ticket commissions without being tech-savvy? This free web class shows you exactly how. It's hosted by Glenn Kosky, a top online entrepreneur with an eight-figure business who's trained thousands of people worldwide. You'll learn how to build automated systems that bring in $1,000 plus per day. Use AI tools to make money faster. Start without your own product inventory or expensive ads. Set everything up in less than 37 minutes a day. How can you pick offers that really sell? How do you use automation so you can work less but earn more? How can you avoid spending thousands upfront? Click my link in the description to reserve your free seat in the web class and find out how you can start earning high ticket commissions now.